I'll see the okay. How you there now?
Fine,
that call when you call me so now make the rush come your house so. You say you are the here, you say you lost your father. I don't know whether na kidnap, say the kidnapper being lost. How you go far away no still come back.
I tell you, sir, I lost my father and I died.
Die.
My father don't die.
Thank God. That man, thank God. Me, I don't fear. To even chop food the day hard, I want to get money to go look for him. Thank God, thank God, I die. That man, but that your father died.
So my father died. They tell me say make a thank God.
How we go do now? Me, I don't already fear say not when we say we go get sense. Now say my rush come go know how you na go dey go die go call your brother with you. Thank God, thank God for that one. Right now. When we go as now, you go now. You got to look me.
So what do you talk now? My father died. They tell me say thank God. God, I better no go. No follow me.
Man, don't call your ass again. Oh, thank God. You know me want put for problem before. I even dey fear you go say my problem.